Talk to him. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Yeah. That's how my dog sits on the couch. Sits like a human.
He barks like one.
Yep.
He's staring at firelight.
It looks funny. It looks like he's a statue. You got a dog statue on your couch.
When he sits like that, I like to grab him. And then he'll lay.
Aw, he's so cute. Aw, look at him. See him? I told you he's a nice dog. He's like,
no dog, he's a human.
he's your son.
Yeah.
Our other son.
Your other son.
My other lover.
Yeah.
Yeah, her other lover. I said other lover.
Other lover, no.
Other lover.
Stay.
Oh, no, you stay. You stay and lay.
Stay right here. Or...